Hello guys! Good afternoon. Today I have the Christmas tickets from Portugal. Hola! Boa tarde. Okay? Only 10 euro session guys. Christmas tickets. Presentes de Natal. In English, Christmas presents. Okay? I have ticket number 36 to 36 to 40. Tengo un número 36 a 40. Vamos a comenzar. Let's start. Outside Portugal on how to win on this ticket, matching number, and if we uncover the symbol Santa Claus head, it's a win all, 10 prizes. Okay. Try not to I use this Christmas scratching tool from the US. Merry Christmas. We're looking for 12, 29. And they give me 13. And they give me 39. Hi, winner. 12. Okay, número 34. 12 can be Jesus, why di 18. 31, 19, 15, 14, 22. Only one match. 12. It's a big win or what? Sure. The famous coffee money. Okay, so I got coffee money in the first ticket. That's a 15. Okay, 12. Coffee money. Ticket number 36. Coffee money. We're looking for 19, 28, 31, 15. Okay, so 13. No, 18. It's dark, guys. 18, right? 18. 18 in English. 17. 21. 24. 20. 11. Far from reality. 25. 26. Am I right? Okay, so there's no match. 37. Let's go to 38. Difficult to win in these cheap tickets. Looking for this size 12. 29. 17. 34. 18. 14. 13. 15. 28. 23. 32. Of course, nothing. 38. I just want to have one more win at least. We're looking for 32. 21. And give me 28. 11. 29. Sí, 28 or what? 28, 11, 29. 16. 27. 33. 19. 20. 35. 17. Ah, Lord. Nada. 32. This is 32, right? Okay, so there's no win. Last chance. What the odds of winning in this ticket? 1 in 372. Difficult to win in this Christmas ticket. Plus the scratching toll is complicated. We're looking for 33, 34. Oh Lord. 14. 22. 20. 11. I need 30s. This is set. 28. Oh Lord. 30. 13. 12. 30. Oh Lord, nada. 33, 34. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I got only €2. The same story. The same BS. Okay, so I got €2 out of €10 session. €8 donation to Portugal Lottery. Okay, so tired of this donation services, guys. Donation services. Okay, bye. So the first ticket is a winner, but only coffee money. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.